Welcome to Qi Gong 5-minute flow for mystical and cleansing and grounding. Right fist closed, left palm open and bow. So putting our hands onto our lower dantian energy center, connecting with this energy here, centering the self and centering our energy. Doing some deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. We're going to start with rising and syncing with the Qi. This is to cleanse the central energy meridian and help ourselves to become that clear channel between earth and sky. And we want to sink down to the earth, sending our roots down, grounding us, and uplift our energy to the sky, the heavens, the universe and beyond, helping us to be grounded and uplifted. Balance between the two. Breathing out as we go down, sinking into the earth. Breathing in as we rise the energy up to the sky. And as always, go in your own timing, your own flow, your own pace. Breathing in as you come up and breathing out as you go down. And try to internally feel the energy flowing up and down inside your system as you do this. Just focusing on connecting with sky and earth energies. Visualizing yourself as that clear channel, connecting earth and sky. Step together, slap your sides. Okay, now we're going to do earth energy up, sky energy down to cleanse and strengthen our aura and chakras. Remember, you say in your mind as you do this, earth energy up, sky energy down. And that is the intention you have between your hands. With your palms as they turn over, one's bringing sky energy down, the other's bringing earth energy up. And remember, don't let your hands go beyond your hip line. And you can add in the cat stance here, where you put 90% of your weight on one leg and 10% on the toes of the other. The intention is to cleanse and strengthen our aura and chakras. Again, balancing all that earth and sky energy within us and connecting the two. Left leg in. Stepping out again, we're going to cleanse and ground. So cleansing, breathing in, breathe out as we release anything that doesn't serve us. We breathe in as we scoop up for our central energy channel. Release as we breathe out. Our intention is to hold on to anything we want to release from our system. Mental, emotional, physical. Moving the feet in, breathing in. Grounding energy down, pushing down through the palms. Engaging the tummy muscles, the leg muscles, feeling those roots going beyond your feet, deep into the earth, connecting you right to the earth's core, like ribbons of light coming out your feet, bringing in strength, stability, protection from the heavens, down your body, around your body, and to the earth, to help you be grounded and present, strong and stable. You can affirm in your mind, I am protected, I am grounded, I am stable. Once more down the middle. Reaching up, gathering universal energy, bringing it down to our lower dantian. Now breathing again into our lower dantian area. Visualizing the universe inside ourselves. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Massaging clockwise, store that energy in for later. In our energy store, slap your sides, reach up, grounded to the earth, uplifted to the sky, hands down to the heart space where earth and sky energies meet in love, this beautiful golden light from our heart center through our whole bodies and into our day. May today be happy, healthy, peaceful and safe. Once again, grounding in your lower dantian. And bow. Have a great day. Woo!